Yeah.
Hi Sam. Hi.
Hi.
So you had some doubt regarding the form submission, right?
Yes, yes.
So please ask your doubts. I am recording this session. So my
Okay.
objective is very clear that I will answer your doubts regarding the form submission, as well as I will also this video I'm
Okay.
going to upload it on YouTube, which will help the other student also to upload for understanding the difficulties which they face while filling the form. Okay, application form. So please ask.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So first one, first one was regarding the Form A,
Okay.
second page 9B.
Okay.
Which
Okay.
subject we need to write?
Okay. For submission any synopsis or proposal of triple I project, there are two forms, Form A and Form.
Okay.
Okay. Form A includes the details of the student. In your case, it will be include all the details
Mm-hmm.
of yours. So name, date of admission, mailing address, membership number, the section B subject names, elective as well as the compulsory and marks,
Okay.
and when you have passed. Then in 8th question, you have to
Okay.
write the name of the organization where you have done the project. Okay. Second is on 9A.
Okay.
9A, you have
Okay.
to write the title, project title name. Okay. So whatever in
Okay.
your case, it is
Okay.
something reduction in COPQ, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So mention that title in 9A. In 9B, you have to
Okay.
mention the name of the subject which you have appeared in section B, which are aligned to your project. So your project is related to COPQ.
Okay.
Your project is related to the production management. You are increasing the production output. Also, you are improving the main focus is on quality. So you can mention the name of the subject, like for
Okay.
example, total quality management. So your focus is on quality, COPQ.
Okay.
So the subject is okay. Second subject, production and operation management, which is also aligned with your project report. So these two names you can mention in
Okay.
section 9B. Okay. And
Okay.
10th question
Okay.
is related to the guide. Name of your guide. Your guide is from college professor.
Okay.
He's doctor. So you mention his name,
Okay.
his designation, his organization. In your case, he is
Okay.
professor from college. So write the name of that college. Okay.
Okay.
Office address, the
Okay.
college address. Okay. Phone number, email address, if you have, and if he allows to put, you can put it. If he has a triple I membership, mention the membership
Okay.
number. If you don't have, write it blank or nil. Okay. Signature is very important.
Okay. Okay.
In your case, as you are going to upload this form online, so initially we used to send the demand draft also. So in question number 12, you have to
Okay.
mention the reference number, online payment reference number. Okay. Instead of demand draft number, you have to
Okay.
mention that reference number, which
Okay.
for the online payment which you have done for to the triple I,
Okay.
and the amount also and the
Okay.
client name.
Okay.
Signature is very important. You have
Okay.
these to write this
Okay.
signature. Now, Form B is related to the project guide.
Okay.
Okay. Form A is related to you. Form B is
Mm-hmm.
related to the project guide.
Yeah.
In
One more note regarding this signature. There is
uh,
a place. So
uh,
place I need to mention location where I done the project. Am I right?
yeah, where you have done the project. Okay. So that you have to mention it. In your case, you are from Bangalore. Guide is
Okay.
also from Bangalore. Okay. So you have to write it Bangalore. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. But
For
it's not an issue that my project is done at Tamil Nadu.
huh. In Tamil Nadu, your plant is in Tamil Nadu, but same plant your brother plant, sister plant. There is one more plant in Bangalore also. So you have two different plants.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're working in Tamil Nadu, but
Mm-hmm.
you have also the second plant in Bangalore. Okay. So your guide is also
Thank you.
from Bangalore. You can mention it Bangalore. But your main working focus
Okay.
area is in Tamil Nadu. So your the place
Okay.
where you have done the project, you can mention the name of that place also. Not an issue.
Okay.
Form B is related to the project guide. Write the name of
Okay.
your project guide. Academic qualification is qualification. So he is
Mm-hmm.
PhD holder, ME mechanical. So whatever you ask him to fill it,
Okay.
your guide is professional
Okay. Okay.
affiliation. So in this case, many professors have the additional membership of institute. Okay, I have the membership of III. I have the
Okay.
membership of QCFI, Quality Circle Forum of India. Okay, so different membership. So if your
Okay.
professor is having some membership, he can write it over here. Okay. If you don't have
Okay.
membership, he don't want to disclose, then he can mention it as
Mm-hmm.
nil. Professional work experience. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever is his experience, 13 years, 14
Mm-hmm.
years, in which field, if he has many times, uh,
Okay.
professor has their past experience in industry, then they move towards the teaching field. So ask you a guide about an
Okay.
mention it over here. Present designation of your guide, membership address,
Okay.
office address. So your guide is from college, professor. So write the college name.
Okay.
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 Telephone number is signature is important, place is important. Okay. So after doing this, your
Okay.
is updated.
Mm-hmm.
After complete
Mm-hmm.
updation and signature, scan the form because you have to upload
Okay.
the
Okay.
form online. Okay.
Okay.
I have made one more video in which I have shared the complete process, how to upload the synopsis online.
Okay.
You can go through it,
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
if any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. Hope your doubts are
Okay. Okay. I yeah. Yeah. I just want to know about this reply also after putting so much effort whether certificate value will be
yeah.
there or not.
Yes, yes. We have a value. I will share my experience. After completing my triple I, now this year I have taken admission for MBA. So I have taken admission for the MBA regular in
Okay.
Pune University. Okay, so it has a value. There are many
Okay.
organizations which consider the
Mm-hmm.
triple I as a graduate engineer, which helps the student in the promotion process. There are many students who are from Tata Motors,
Okay.
JCB, who have done the
Mm-hmm.
triple I from General Motors.
Okay.
Okay, Bajaj Auto Chakan plant. So many students
Okay.
they have approached me under for their queries as well as for study material for project works. So these organizations are preferring
Mm-hmm.
and they are considering their degree of triple I. So my experience is that yes, triple I helps
Okay.
us. And my personal experience, I have taken admission for MBA
Okay.
also. We can also take for the ME purpose. So I don't think there is any problem. You should proceed
Uh-huh.
on it.
Okay. Okay.
But don't wait only on graduation. After
Okay.
completing your graduation, please move towards the PG course. This will help you more.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Anything else, Sam?
Okay. No, nothing else. Thank you.
Chalo, all the best. Upload your project. I have gone through your project. Your
Thank
project is
you.
good. Whatever corrections were said,
Okay.
the guide is good. He has already
Mm-hmm.
covered all the triple I guidelines. So hardly there was some issue related to alignment, which has been solved. Wish you all the best and hope that you get the result as soon as possible.
Okay.
Hmm? ठीक है. Fine.
Okay.
Chalo.
Thank you.
Chalo, bye. Take care.
And one more doubt. We had forward to discuss one point.
Yeah.
After uploading of these forms and project, what will be the next procedure?
After uploading this
So they'll
project,
be
you have
sending
to
any
wait for
mail
the.
intimation.
You will get the intimation from triple I. Okay. There are two.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Three answers. So first is your project is rejected.
Okay.
If it is not as per triple I.
Okay.
So I have gone through your project. It is fulfilling the triple I guidelines. So don't worry. Second is that your project is
Okay.
accepted with some modification. So they will give you some points
Mm-hmm.
which you have to ensure
Okay.
you cover it while doing the final report, final project.
Okay. Okay.
It is acceptable, but they have given some suggestions
Okay.
which you have to implement in your or correct in the final project. And the third possibility is they will give you the letter that your project is approved, submit the final report. Okay, so you have to submit the final report after approval,
Okay.
after 4 months from the date of approval. Okay, so you will come to know about the approval through
Okay.
mail.
Okay.
You will come to know about the approval through mail.
Okay, okay,
Hmm?
okay. And what about the Vivas and all? What about the
Once
Viva?
you submit the final report, after final report, minimum 3 months they take
Okay.
for the concluding to the
Mm-hmm.
result. So once it is once the triple I conclude to the result, they will inform you through the mail that your project is approved, as well as
Okay.
congratulations to you, you are eligible for YY. Okay, so this will be the
Okay.
first mail after submitting the
Okay.
final report. Then after you will get the one more mail that you be get ready for your YY. So you have to submit your presentation for minimum
Mm-hmm.
15 slides. Initially they used to just mention that submit the PPT presentation. In current scenario, they have asked from each student that they have
Okay.
to make the presentation for 15 pages, minimum 15 slides about your project, that we have to submit it to triple I.
Okay.
Then
Mm-hmm.
afterwards, again triple I will contact you. They will give the schedule and the link on the date and time
Mm-hmm.
on which they will have the YY. Due to the COVID situation, they are taking the YY
Okay.
online.
Okay.
Initially, till last year, we used
Mm-hmm.
to go directly to the triple I headquarter Mumbai. There we used to have the YY session. Okay.
Okay.
And then afterwards, after
Mm-hmm.
completing the YY
Okay.
process, after 3-4 days minimum, they used to inform us that you have passed or you have failed. And if you want the bona fide certificate or the mark list, your provisional certificate, not bona fide, sorry, it is provisional certificate. You have to pay the nominal fee
Okay.
around 1,000 rupees. After paying that 1,000 rupees, they will send you the mark list and provisional certificate that you have passed the triple I.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the complete process.
Okay.
Currently, YY are scheduled. Today also
Okay.
the
So
17th batch was planned. Okay. So we
hmm.
can expect after some
2017 batch. 2017 batch.
today there was a 17th batch. Okay. Tomorrow also they have planned.
Okay.
So next schedule they will
Mm-hmm.
organize again soon. This is the complete process. Synopsis submission,
So it's a lengthy process. So it may take more than 1 year.
not 1 year. So within next 6 months you will be
Okay.
eligible. As per guideline for synopsis approval, 3 months
Okay.
they required. Okay, but nowadays from last few months, I am seeing that
Mm-hmm.
they are giving the approval in 15 days also. 15 days, 1 month, they give the approval. From that approval date,
Okay.
in next 4 months, you have to submit the final
Okay.
report. After final report, they take 2 months, in few cases 3 months. Yes, your project is approved. Now you are eligible for YY.
Okay.
So complete 6 months, consider minimum 6 months.
Okay.
And because
Okay.
of online,
So how will be the Viva? Viva will be okay, okay, or
YY will be okay. 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 Initially, it was very, very tough.
okay.
Okay. So the student who has done their own
Mm-hmm.
project, okay. So it is very easy for them to crack the YY. Student involvement and
Okay.
participation, understanding of the subject
Mm-hmm.
helps the student to clear the YY easily. It doesn't take more time.
Okay.
Okay, Sam, anything
Okay.
else?
No, no. That's it.
Okay, chalo bye. Take care. See you soon. If any doubt, you can
Bye.
contact me. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.